I'm Dr. K. Kunjumuddin. I'm working as IVF consultant at ARMC IVF Fertility Center, Calicut and Perindalmanna in Kerala. I also work in Dubai, Doha and Muscat. We have a webinar on 14th May where we will be discussing about case scenarios in endometriosis. Endometriosis, as you all know, it is a very controversial disease with lots of management options. When we come to the case of endometriosis with infertility, when we come across endometriosis in adolescents, when we come across endometriosis with chronic pelvic pain or severe pelvic pain. So here, instead of discussing a theoretical perspective of the disease, I thought it will be better we will discuss various presentations of endometriosis with regard to infertility, adolescents and the adults with chronic pelvic pain. And there is a rare situation where endometriosis can appear in the postmenopausal age group also. So we discussed that option, but we will discuss in detail about endometriosis with infertility, whether should we go for ART or laparoscopy at the first instance. So we have a lot of options for each particular type of case scenarios, and we will discuss that with support of a lot of academic literatures. So at this instance, I would like to thank ISAR for arranging this sort of webinar series, and also thank the DocMode platform for supporting with all technical supports, and also support the Zydus Pharmaceuticals for being the knowledge partner to support this mega event. Thank you.